am at the Argosy, and I am playing Twice Your Monkey, this classic slot that I have only found here at the Argosy, and I have won because on Twice Your Monkey, it gets a lot of wilds. It does get wild up here with these monkeys and the pineapples and the bananas and the Tiki face. So I am going to do $2 on this 1 cent denom. So let's get to spinning. I wonder if the sound can get turned up on this.
I don't know how to turn these up on the old ones.
I won 40 cents?
Yes.
So far, oh, got something. See, there's the wild. What are we getting?
$2.
$2.
Oh,
Got her
$4.
$4. $0.40. Started at $25.
Come on, Twice Your Monkey. Let's do something.
Oh, we're up.
Oh wow! Oh wow! You're really up.
What the heck?
You won.
What?
What? What?
I think I won $500. What the heck? $500. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
That's crazy. Look at that.
That's crazy.
That is unexpected. That's completely unexpected.
Whoa.
I was just playing this game because I really enjoy playing classic slots at a penny. You know, it was a $2 bet, so it's a little bit pricey. I never really do that much on these games, but holy moly, $500. What the heck? I put in 25 and I'm up a lot. So, my friends, I'm going to move off of Twice Your Monkey, and I am just going to wander around and marvel at my ticket. So, hey everyone, wish me luck. I know you've wished me luck before because that's how I won this money. So cool. All right. Hey, I will see you on the next machine.